Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Currently the Australian dollar still remains vulnerable to the downside as the technicals still remain in negative territory. Along with that, with the posted engulfing candles being two of them, the market is somewhat looking towards this 60-day moving average, which is seen around the region of 63 figure 20. A bounce from there could ignite and therefore get a correction back to the top side around 64 to 65 cents. The euro still maintaining somewhat a negative pattern here. Nevertheless, it is trying to recover, but I feel the risk is still towards the bottom side of this range, somewhere around 109.5 to 110, and then look for a move back to the upside to around 115 in the broader sense. When it comes to dollar yen, well, we've broken back through that downtrend, and now it gives further indication to a bearish case. I would like to see the MACD married up to the RSI, but overall, the last 4 days of weakness does confirm the bears are back in control and therefore looking down towards the region of 142 and reassess. Sterling still a little bit mixed, but still slightly heavy and therefore swaying towards the downside, which could come in towards this trend line seen around 130.5 to 131. From there, could see a correction back to 134 and reassess. Wrapping up with commodities, well, we took a stab to that downside overnight. And you can see by the lows, the market got to its objective around 3,120 and just shy of its target of 3,090 to 3,100. Overall, though, we may see one more down test, but I feel the market may from there stage a recovery, look away from 3,100 and look back up towards the region of 3,350 to 3,400. And oil, well, the market is still a little bit somewhat weak after rejecting from that $64 mark and may pull back towards the region of $60 a barrel and then see a correction back to 64. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. As always, look out for the interest report. I hope you enjoy the great start to the day and to the new weekend.